given. So which one is given? BC. So fourth will be the first step. Okay. Now everyone has fourth, A, B, C, D. Okay. Next, you'll have to do something from B only, B or C only. So check which has B and C. See this third step has from point B draw an arc of 2.3 centimeter and from C draw an arc of 2.9 centimeter. See this from B 2.3, from C 2.9. Okay, these are not to the scales, rough sketch it is. So now B and D are gone. What remains? A and C. Now check within these only. Now third step, that is seventh, is common to both. So that will definitely be correct. Join AB and BC. Then ABC is the required triangle. Okay, we have got up to ABC now. Now next is 1 or 6th. So on B, make an acute angle CBE. And what is 1? Now this one. On BE, cut BE. Do we have E over here by now? We don't have B up till now, up till this 6th step, right? Or this 7th step. We don't have this BE. So E is not there. So first step A can't be there. So it will be definitely C. So C is the correct answer. In exam you stop here. Don't move ahead. But now we'll see this here. 6th is on B. Make an acute angle CBE. Then first is on BE. See here BE we have drawn here. So cut 3 equal parts making B1, B2, B3. Then fifth one, that is join BC and from B draw BC parallel to this, join B3C and from B draw B2C and B2C dash parallel to B2C such that BC dash is 2/3 of BC. See these steps. B3 dash, B2 dash parallel, and last is draw C dash A dash parallel to CA. Then triangle A dash B dash A dash B C dash is the required triangle. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.